Spring cleaning season is here and I'm so excited to declutter and clean out my bathroom. I have partnered with Grove Collaborative for this video. They are one of my favorite places to shop for cleaning products. You can shop online, which makes it very easy. And they have safe, sustainable products. They've sort of done all the homework for you so you can trust that you're getting good stuff from them. Another thing I love about Grove is their affordable prices, and you have the option to set up an auto ship. It's very flexible, so you don't have to do that, but I love that you can pick your products and set them up on your calendar so you never run out of the cleaning products you need. Grove is also offering a free gift if you spend $20 on your very first order. It is 3 Mrs. Meyer's products. It is the hand lotion, the hand soap, and then the multi-surface spray. And it all comes on a Grove ceramic sink side tray. So the total value of this free gift is over $30, which is a great deal, and you can find a link to purchase right below this video. If you already subscribe to Grove, you can use the same link below this video and get a free set of their walnut scrubber sponges. So I'll be sharing 3 helpful tips to help you declutter and clean your bathroom. So before you clean your bathroom, you want to get rid of any products that you aren't using anymore or that you know that you don't like and won't use ever again. So I like to have a garbage bag and a donation box on hand, and first things first, get rid of the extra stuff. So I throw away products that are pretty much used up already or something that just didn't work for me or I didn't like at all. And then I like to round up any products that are only halfway used or even just used one time that I don't like to give to my friends. If you have any products that you haven't opened or haven't used ever, you might be able to find a women's shelter or some other place in your community where you could donate those to as well. Some people don't know that beauty products have expiration dates on them, and I'll show you where to find it. So this number right here represents the expiration. So 12 months from when you purchase this product, it has technically expired. So it's always on the product itself, or if you can't find it on the product, it may have come on the box that you bought the product in. And it's helpful sometimes to keep a permanent marker nearby, maybe store it in your bathroom, so you can write the date you purchased it on to know when the product will expire. There's no need to have multiples of the exact same item within reach. Just have one. I tend to have like 4 hairsprays that are the exact same on my counter, and it just takes up space and it creates clutter. So if you have duplicates or even like 2 face washes that are really similar, pick one that you like to use and then put the other duplicates away. So as much as you can store away, the better. Clean off your countertop so you don't have a bunch of clutter to deal with when you're getting ready in the morning. And I try and live by the rule that anything that's on the counter has to stay corralled within a tray. So find a pretty tray, and that way you can limit yourself to only having a certain amount of products on your counter. And if you bring more in, you have to take something off the tray to replace it. I find it most helpful to keep the cleaning products in my bathroom that I use to clean the bathroom. That way when I'm ready to clean, they're all here. I don't have to go find them or get them out of the kitchen cabinet or the garage. So store your cleaning products in the bathroom, and I always like to have wipes for a quick like daily or every other day clean from all the hair products that can sit on the counter, and then also other products to use for a deeper clean once a week or so. So after you have sorted through your products, decluttered, gotten things off your countertop, put things away in drawers, it's time to start cleaning. And I always like to start from the top and work my way down. So I'll start with the mirror, then do the countertops, and then finish with the floor. So not only does it feel great to clean your bathroom up, it also feels really good to declutter and get rid of products that you don't use or you don't need anymore, get them off your countertop. For me, visual clutter equals mental clutter, and when I walk into my bathroom and I see stuff everywhere, I'm overwhelmed, I don't know what I'm looking for. So finding a spot for it makes it not only easier and faster to get ready in the morning, but it makes it easier and faster to clean your countertops as well. So I mentioned that free gift at the beginning of the video. Not only does it come with a tray, which is perfect for kind of corralling your products like I mentioned earlier as well, but it has some of my favorite things, the lotion and the soap I use and have used for a really long time, and then one of my favorite kind of multi-purpose cleaning sprays.